Hello, and welcome to this overview and introduction to the Career Coaching Program, part of the ImmunoEngineering CREATE Trainee Program. This iteration of the program will be delivered between April and July 2025. My name is Robyn Roscoe, and I'm delighted to be the webinar facilitator and coach for this program. As shown here, I'm the principal for my own company, Lyrica Management, where I deliver project management and leadership training, coaching, and research proposal development and coordination services. I'm also an instructor in research management and leadership programs at Mohawk College in Ontario. I have been a project manager for more than 30 years and have worked in project management and leadership and research since 2001. On this slide, you'll see several contact points for me. If at any time during this program or afterwards you have a question, are seeking a resource, or would like to connect, please feel free to reach out at any of these coordinates. In this short video, I'll give you an overview of the ImmunoE Coaching Program, including what coaching is, my own approach to coaching, and then the next steps in this program. First, what is coaching? Defined as shown here, coaching is primarily a partnership between someone who is seeking development, growth, or change in their career path or progression, and someone with experience in helping to guide people on that path. Through conversation, reflection, and questions, a coach can help you find the next steps that will enable your own development. Typically, a coach takes the approach of guiding through questions and reflection without offering much direction or specific advice. Mentoring is similar in that usually one person is seeking guidance from another. Mentoring tends to be more directive, as the mentor offers specific advice, including practical tools and approaches for career and professional development. My own approach is a blend of coaching and mentoring. I bring my knowledge in management and leadership, as well as a substantial network and breadth of experience as resources for my coaching clients. Better described as a directive mentorship, I deliver true coaching, where I serve as a sounding board and accountability partner for your development work, as well as mentorship with tools, networking, and individual problem solving. Ultimately, the focus is you. What do you need for your career development? Perhaps you are planning your next career step. Maybe you're in a leadership role and would like some support navigating a complicated relationship or difficult conversations. Or possibly you're feeling overwhelmed and needing some help getting and staying organized or managing your time. I can work with you to prioritize, yes, I help with that too, and then make and follow an action plan for your needs and growth. Within this coaching program, and with coaching more generally, we start with a 4-step process. First, we design our alliance. This means we talk about what you want to accomplish and whether I would be a good fit to help you, and then we make an agreement about how we will work together, including establishing and agreeing on our key principles: confidentiality, trust and honesty, and mutual respect. We then establish your specific goals for our work together, agree on how we will ensure accountability between us, and then agree on next steps. From there, we move on to actual coaching. A coaching session is about 45 minutes by Zoom, telephone, or in person, and we work through your goals. I ask you lots of questions, make notes, and give feedback and suggestions. At the end of our time, we'll each have some homework. Mine is to summarize our discussion, usually an email within a few days of our meeting, and yours will be whatever we've agreed will be some practical steps for you to take or tools for you to try. We'll also schedule our next session, so you'll have a clear idea of how much time you have to work on your homework. Within this program, each person will have 3 sessions with me every 3 to 4 weeks from May through July. Here's the program timeline, starting with this video in lieu of the program launch and information session. Over the next 2 weeks, those interested in coaching can submit their expression of interest by email to Pauline Johnson and me. The application is available by email. The application asks for your name and other contact information, and that you describe what coaching interests and objectives you have and your expectations of the program. We'll evaluate the applications for eligibility. This program is only open to ImmunoE trainees, faculty, and other program members, and advise applicants of acceptance. There will be a short group session for the coachees to provide more details on what to expect in the coaching sessions. This program also includes a series of webinars, which are open to anyone. These include goal setting, cultivating strengths, and an Ask the Coach session. In between the webinar sessions, the coaching sessions will be scheduled with each participant. At the end of the program in July, participants will be asked to provide their feedback on the program, including recommendations and suggestions for future offerings. Next steps for participants are to complete and submit your expression of interest and submit it by Monday, the 21st of April. In this, you'll describe your objectives for coaching, what you want to work on, maybe a next career step, leadership development, or improving a work habit, and what your expectations are. What do you want to be different after the coaching is complete? You'll also commit to attending all webinars and coaching sessions in the program. By the 23rd of April, participants will be notified about their acceptance, and then on the 25th, they will attend a brief Zoom meeting about what to expect in the coaching sessions. The webinar program is open to everyone, regardless of their participating with coaching. These webinars cover foundational development elements applicable to the coaching participants or to anyone looking for guidance on personal or professional development. The first webinar is on goal setting and looks at various approaches for establishing achievable goals and resolutions, and considers some tools for developing meaningful and sustainable goals, including the SMART and CLEAR goals approaches. The second webinar is about cultivating strengths. We tend to ignore our strengths, taking them for granted instead of nurturing and cultivating them. Our strengths need attention and training to keep them that way. We also need to acknowledge our least strengths and see them as opportunities to learn and improve. This session focuses on identifying and working with your strengths as part of an ongoing growth and development program. The third webinar is an Ask the Coach session. This is an open opportunity to ask questions and hear from the coach, an active and experienced professional in research management and leadership. That's me. Participants are encouraged to ask anything about career path options, leadership and management challenges, and professional and personal growth and development. We hope you'll consider participating in this coaching and development program with ImmunoE. If you need more information or have any questions, or you'd like a copy of the expression of interest form, please contact the organizers at the emails shown here. We look forward to working with you, and thank you for your time and attention.